John Gillison, and moved here from California, but I had family that lived in Montrose, Colorado, and so we wanted to get back to this area and wound up here in Grand Junction just recently. I love the proximity. It's a great place in terms of access to recreation, national forests, national monuments, things like that. So a lot of fun, but I also like the fact that it still has a small town feel, but yet the larger area of the multiple cities has enough population that there's some great restaurants and wineries and other stuff, make it a really fun place to live. So you can see over my shoulder here, we've got this metal building, and I wanted a place that was a combination of a garage and a workshop. Keep an RV, keep some motorcycle, car, etc. in there, but I also wanted a place where my grandfather and dad being auto mechanics, where I had a shop and I could do work on stuff and not bother anyone. So that's what that building is. So I was looking around for companies that built the buildings, and I wanted somebody that actually built them, didn't just source parts from other places and that. And I also wanted somebody, if possible, that was local or close to Grand Junction. And so I came across Great Western Buildings, and we were here at the time visiting. And I told my wife, I said, let's go stop in at the factory and see. I love to see how stuff is made, and stopping in to see where it's made, especially if it's unexpected. It's a great way to determine how a place operates. And so we did. And within probably 10 minutes after we were there, we knew we were going to be buying the building and going with Great Western. Everyone was so helpful. My experience with the building has been great so far. I used Orrin Hankins. Orrin and his crew did a fantastic job for me. They went over and above. They were helpful, and I was just blown away at how quickly they got everything erected and what a professional job they did. Even on trades beyond what they were responsible for. They helped with some of the foundation stuff and all that. The crew was fantastic. They were so diligent and hardworking. And originally, I was looking at somewhere around 7 to 10 day construction period, and they got it done in about half that time. So they just did a great job and were very meticulous in the whole process. I'm really glad we designed it the way we did. My wife, Allison, who was super helpful in this whole process, you can see the metal overhang on the one side of the building. That's been great. And everyone at Great Western was super helpful with giving me advice. And I really appreciated that because I haven't built one of these before. So the advice of you might want to think about this or look at this was really super helpful. So couldn't be more satisfied with the customer service. The experience was great. We showed up, it was unexpected. We hadn't made an appointment or anything. We really dropped in and we were just asking questions. Do you have some information, brochures, materials? Can we talk to somebody? We're looking at doing one of these and we want to find out. That day we showed up, Rye Hankins helped us. She was super helpful. Took us into a conference room, sat us down, started going over stuff with us. One of the things I remember most is my wife and I couldn't agree on colors, and Rye made some suggestions on colors, and we were both like, hey, that's perfect. That works for both of us. And so, but the process continued. Bryce, everybody after that who helped us made suggestions, and I really appreciated that because they were like, you could do it this way or you could do it this way. Here, I'll give you the cost. Here's the advantages, the pros, the cons, So that was super helpful, and it's been fantastic. I really like going and seeing where something is made. I think it gives you a sense of the quality that goes into something and how a business operates. And so it was wonderful to just be able to show up and talk to people and see how friendly they were.